Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin, and today we are going to see client event script. Now see, there are so many types of client event script. One is the page init, then field event script. That means some script that you want to run at the time of field events, some script that you want to run at the time of sublist event, and at the time of save record. So these are the different types of client events. Now in this video we will see page init script. Now page init script means this client event occurs when a page is completely loads or when a form is reset. See, whenever the page is completely loaded, this event script you want to run, it will be executed. Now see here, it is very similar to jQuery. The jQuery, in jQuery you might have used $document.ready function. So it is very similar to that. Now let's come to the practical. See here, this is the normal structure, general structure of page event script. Sorry, client script. N API equal to 2.0, N script type equal to client script, module scope public, variable exports, then function page inits. Here we have given the page init and then console.info cs client script page init triggered. Here you can see here. So, and after that we have returned export.page init, that is the exports, right? Now let me upload this. Here is the scripting, new script. And from the beginning of our video series we have been using the same record, that is monthly visitor information. This is the name of the record, visitor name, purpose of visit, educational level, personal information. If you go through my previous video you will get to know that we have been using the same record. Now I am uploading this script. Let me show you. Here is page init script, and we will write here monthly because our record is monthly.js. Okay, let's remove this also, no problem. Page init script, and then here choose file. Here is page init script. Yes, here it is page init script, and then we will upload it, save it, and then create script record. Here we will give the name page init monthly visitor, right? Page init script, right, monthly visitor, right? Now here we will save this. Here it is showing page init function. Then we will deploy the script. Now here we will apply monthly visitor information, monthly visitor script. Okay, monthly visitor information. We will select all the roles. Here event type you can write here, like suppose at the time of edit I want to run some script. Now here it will save. Now let's see here, this is the records, right? Let's go to this list. Now suppose I want to edit this record, right? Now see here, let's edit. Here page init. Okay, let me show you the inspect element console. Here you will see cs page init triggered equivalent to document.ready. Let me show you here. cs page init client script page init triggered equivalent to and here is the context.mode is edit. So in this way you can write your script according to your requirement. That means suppose if you want some calculations to be done at the time of page, for example in mostly in business calculation or business logic, if you want to calculate some calculation like percentage or all these at the time of page event, just like another website applications. So you can perform this operation here also. So for that we use here page init script. So guys, in our next video we will see about field events, right? So guys, I hope this this video will be informative for you, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. And till then, thanks a lot. Thank you friends.